What's up guys, welcome to Apeh Menu YouTube channel. Help subscribe to this channel to get the latest videos on how much your favorite YouTubers earn from their YouTube. Do click on that little bell icon to be notified of the latest video. Here is the main character for this video. Sue, how do YouTubers get paid? Based on the research I made with my cat, we found that one of the most passive ways to make an income through YouTube channel is to earn money through ad views. There are two types of ads. 1. CPM, cost per 1,000 views, and 2. CPC, cost per click. If the ads is CPM, that means the viewer of your YouTube video must watch the ad for longer than 30 seconds. If it's a CPC ads, then you get paid based on how many viewers click on the ads surrounding your video. Now, let's go to 괚ᴚ괚 YouTube channel. According to Social Blade, 괚ᴚ괚 YouTube have uploaded 389 video. He currently have 11.9 million subscribers. After reaching 10 million subscribers, he has been awarded with the diamond play button by YouTube. Currently, he has a total view of 1,855,306,467. That is insane. He is a YouTuber from Indonesia, and his channel type is entertainment. He started his channel since October 27, 2016. The grade he got for his channel is A-, and his Social Blade ranking is 1339th. Subscriber ranking is 610th. Video view rank is 2312th. He ranked 23rd in Indonesia. And entertainment rank is 201st. Next, the average on daily subs for 괚ᴚ괚 YouTube is around 10k. And daily view around plus 2,483,432. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube. And this is going to be an estimate. So, daily views he got is 2,500,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning for 괚ᴚ괚 will be $10,000. Monthly income is $300,000. And yearly income will get $3,600,000. But wait. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue of 45%. Now, $3,600,000 multiply with 0.55 will get $1,960,000. And that is how much 괚ᴚⴚ earn from YouTube. I think anyone can succeed on YouTube, if they work really hard. That's what my cat said. And I agree. Period.